Welcome back, guys. Today we're making a cocktail called the Cab. It's got cognac, it's got mint, and it's got sparkling wine. Well, you know, it's maybe not the most exciting cocktail, but it was pretty delicious. So let's make it, shall we? Alright, so it's going to start with some mint. We just pick this from the garden. So throw about 8 to 10 mint leaves in there. So I found this recipe on Difford's Guide. I was looking for a cocktail to use up the rest of the sparkling wine bottle I opened for the last video. So this one looked pretty good, so we're giving it a try. Alright, next up we're going to do a half an ounce of a Demerara syrup, or any sugar syrup you got, really. And then, just like we do in most mint cocktails, we're then going to give this a quick muddle. Very gently, we're not looking to pulverize it. If you go too hard, you're going to release some of the bitter notes of mint. So just nice and gentle, and then it kind of aromatizes the sugar. It makes it like a mint syrup. After that, an ounce of lime juice goes into the mix. We're then going to do 2 ounces of our cognac. I'm using Courvoisier. Use any cognac you want. You can even use brandy. Nice slow pour. Alright. After that, we're going to do a couple dashes of Angostura Bitters. So 1, 2, 3 dashes because I can't count. Alright, that's it for the base of the drink. So let's get some ice in our glass. Do a flippy move with your tin and let's give her a good shake for 10-15 seconds in super fast motion. Alright, we want to serve this in a coupe. I've got kind of a fancy coupe that I found at a thrift store. Might be a wine glass actually, I don't know. But I like it, looks nice for certain cocktails. Leave a little bit of room because, as I mentioned, we are going to add some sparkling wine to this. So grab your little bottle of Prosecco or whatever you got and just top it off. That's about an ounce, maybe an ounce and a half, I don't know. I didn't measure there. For garnish, we're going to grab a few little leaves of mint and using one of those little garnish clothespins, we're going to just fix it to the side of the glass, just like so. Come on. There we are. And there it is, super simple. The Cab. Not sure why it's called that. Alright, let's give this guy a taste. And wow, it's pretty good. Get the mint right up front. I really get the cognac and the dryness of the sparkling wine. The Angostura gives it a kind of a nice bitterness, but everything's present, nothing's overwhelming. The lime and sugar kind of mellow everything out. Definitely enjoyable. I mean, it's going to be a drink that I'll make again. Maybe not, but it was definitely delicious. Give it a try, guys. We'll see you next time. Cheers.